Hi guys, Frugal Gal here. Okay, I asked you guys on a video and on a couple of my Facebook groups and my Facebook page, if I do jewelry jars, do you want to see the video of me putting them together in every piece, or you just want to see the completed project of the jewelry jar and I'm right here, the price. So only one person said, I bought your stuff. It was great. I'm paraphrasing what she said. So I don't need to see what you put in there. But everybody else who did answer was just a few people wanted to see everything in it. So, okay, I thought everybody would say they didn't want to see it because to me, the mystery is and the fun is seeing the jar. But I can also understand as a buyer's perspective why you'd want to see every piece. But all this is good wearable jewelry. Some of it's signed, and I'll tell you as each piece goes in. So you're probably wondering what these things are sitting in front of you. Well, I found these at a thrift store, and they're plastic little glasses that I'm sure were probably purchased at Dollar Tree, but I got them for $1 a piece. A baboom. So I'm going to fill these up with jewelry, and these are going to be your quote unquote, and I know everybody hates when somebody does that, but I did anyway. Quote, quote, quote. At least I'm not saying literally all the time. Do you know, does that bother you as much as it does me? That when people say, literally, I went here and literally I did this, I'm thinking, literally means it happened. So you can just say it happened. You don't have to say and use the word literally. I don't know. I should have been an English teacher instead of a regular teacher. Anyway, so this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to do the yellow one. I like yellow. And then I'm gonna put saran wrap, but it's the Dollar Tree it's Dollar General version of plastic wrap over it, because I know we usually find them with tape over them. I don't want it to get all the gluey stuff. And then of course I will wrap it in bubble wrap and put it in a box and mail it to you the cheapest way I can. So don't ask me how I'm gonna price these. I might let you just guys start bidding in the comments if you want it. I might put a price on it. I don't know. Let's just start. I don't know how much is going to fit in here. This is a bracelet that is a fold over clasp. I've had it in other videos, and it's signed Monet because we all have to have Monet in our life. Yes, you do. Don't argue with me. These are clip-on earrings. They are not signed, but they are in great shape. I'll put those in there. I don't know how much jewelry is going to fit in there. These are puka shells and some wooden beads on a bracelet. Go in there. Have to have brooch, and this is a signed Monet brooch. Vintage. This beautiful necklace. It's long. Not signed. A silver tone chain. Probably about 20 inches long. This nice pendant. It's just plastic, but I like it. I think you can do something with it. These earrings. These earrings I just bought not too long ago. They are glass, and they're like blown glass inside glass. They're kind of heavy. These are vintage glass beaded clip-on earrings. These were popular and made in the 50s and 60s. So, vintage. These clip-on earrings I just bought recently. They feel almost like they're a ceramic material, but I don't think they are because they're not really heavy. Looks like a 1970s pattern, doesn't it? This, I guess it's a pendant. It has a little quote on it, and it's a rose on this side, silver tone. This tie clip that I'm pretty sure it's signed Avon. It's a little cuckoo clock. And you didn't have to have it. You don't have to wear it you can just wear it as a pin. It's pretty. I'm going to put in not two, but 3 American flags. Because why not? All right. And then these are vintage Coro clip-on earrings. This little silver tone needs to be shined up. I love mom pendant. Charm, I guess you could call it. This owl pendant. I put it on this nice gold tone chain, but you could separate them and use them differently. This, I thought at first when I had this, because it's really long, that these were glasses, you know, a glasses chain, but it's not, because your glasses don't fit through there, because I wear glasses. So I'm thinking it's that style of necklace that you throw over your shoulders and it hangs down your back. But it's really nice. Stretchy bracelet. A couple faux pearl bracelets that go on like this. They're double. Okay. Gold tone. Nice bracelet. Double stranded graduated beads. I never can say that correctly. Necklace. Very green. See how that fits in there. So we're about, let's see, we're about halfway full. So I gotta find some other stuff to put. Ooh, that's pretty though. I gotta find you some other stuff to put in there. All right, let me put you on pause and I'll get some more jewelry. Okay, these are signed Monet clip-on earrings. Are they screwback clip? No, they're screwback clip-ons. You can tighten them. Okay. This little 50-year pin, I'm not sure. There you can see what that club is. There's a little 50-year pin. That's interesting to me. This is a state of Missouri pendant because I'm from Missouri. And what's that say on the back of it? Oh, does that say 925? Oh, does it? Oops. Oops, I shouldn't put 925 in there, should I? Oh, it went in there. It slipped out of my hands. Okay. I put these nice cufflinks. And I don't think they're signed. Yeah, are these the ones that are signed? Yeah, I think they're, I don't know. It'll be a mystery till you get it. What else can I put in there? Okay, I gotta put you on pause. So I gotta find some more stuff. Here is a beautiful vintage C-clasp brooch that is AB crystals. Now it is missing one right there, but it's vintage, y'all, and it's beautiful, and it's gonna go in there. Then we have a JJ brooch, signed JJ right there, of tea and the teacups and everything. It's beautiful. Okay, tea and coffee, I think, is on there. Then this is signed Sarah Coventry pendant. Signed Sarah. What is signed Coventry? They signed it Sarah Coventry, and Coventry. And I think the signature goes by date, or it doesn't. It's rough. It feels like needlepoint, but it's not. I mean, it's not cloth. Hear that? But it looks like needlepoint the way it's roughed up. I like that. It's pretty. Oh, you guys are getting some great things in here. This is just beautiful, 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 beautiful. And interesting. And I've got to find some more things. I don't know what else to put in there. Okay, we will put one more. And we're going to put this brooch in there. It's a Noah's Ark brooch. Is it signed? I don't think it yeah, it is. What is it signed? Well, it's signed. I'm going to put it in there. Okay, so it's that full. We need a couple more things to go in there. Couple more things. You know what I'm going to put in there? And I'm going to just, because it's got so much great stuff in there. I'm going to put this necklace in there. Now, this necklace, full disclosure, needs to be fixed at the end. It needs a clamp there with like a spring ring clasp. But this is made, it's got the tag on it still. It's made in West Germany. Right? Is that what it says? Made in West Germany. So this can be worth something because I've looked it up. And we're going to put that, and that's going to fill up the rest of that jar. Go in there the correct way. And that's got a lot of good, stop it. It's got a lot of good stuff in it. So there we go. There's our jar. Beautiful, beautiful. All right, now you guys will pay shipping on that. I'll try to ship it the cheapest way possible. It goes by your zip code and my zip code. I'm in Missouri. And I need your email address, and I'll put my link down there to my email address down there. And while I'm talking, I could be doing the plastic wrap. So I was wondering how I should do this, if I should just ask you guys to open the bids up and then bid. And I'm thinking, no, this isn't an auction. So I should put a price on it. So the price that I put on it is it plus whatever the shipping is. Like I said, I don't charge handling, and I don't, I don't gyp you on the shipping. What was that? Something flew off there. All right. So I'm thinking there's a lot of nice things in there. There's a lot of things that can easily sold. I'm going to put $35 on it. If you guys think that's too high, I'm sorry. But I don't know why I feel guilty every time I price something. Everybody's got to make the money. Okay, there we go. And you saw everything that went in it. There's the cling wrap on top. And I'll tape that down. I just won't over tape it. There you go. $35. First person who wants it, and that's a burn. I burnt myself. Put you want in the comments, and I will package it up and see how much it's going to cost to ship it to you. I always try to go the cheapest way possible, guys. You get a cool glass. Thanks, guys. Bye. Thumbs up. Share my videos. Leave a comment. Just say hi. All right. Bye.